Dr. Stoker, can you clarify, when do you have to work with the belly button? When do you have to move it? When do you have to create a new one?
Great question. So on a full tummy tuck, we always reposition the belly button, okay? The belly button actually stays where it is, but all the skin around it moves, so we create a new belly button hole. And that is because we're tightening the upper abdominal skin and the lower abdominal skin. If we're doing a mini or a lower tummy tuck, everything is happening below the belly button. So we're not actually moving the belly button in those cases.
Okay, awesome.
So for instance, if somebody really cannot tolerate a belly button scar, let's say they're a bikini model, for instance, and they're going to be photographed and zoomed in great detail, but they had a couple babies and they've got loose skin on their lower abdomen that's just unacceptable for their job, a lower tummy tuck is going to be good because I can hide that incision super low so they can wear the tiniest little bikini. I can still remove a lot of skin and get tightening, but I'm not going to touch that belly button on the outside, so there'll be no scars at all visible to the world.
Thanks for clarifying, Dr. Stoker. I feel like so many people are so worried about their belly button, so it's so important to know the difference.
Yeah, well, check out those pictures on our website. You'll see what actually happened.